Electric vehicle service is something many shops are equipping for. As a counter professional, even though you don't work on them, you'll likely get a lot of questions. There are many steps a shop must take to gear up for EV service. It begins with the work area. The high voltage and amperage from an EV can kill. There's no two ways about it. But with the proper precautions, they're as safe to work on as anything else. The most important aspect of training is the safety mindset, and it begins with not only the personal safety of the technician, but the safety of everyone else. When servicing the electrical system on any type of hybrid or EV, the entire work area must be marked with cones, some type of barrier chain, or tape and warning signs, all colored and designed to indicate that high voltage electrical work is taking place. Not only will this warn other technicians of the work that is occurring, but it's a safety measure to warn customers or anyone who may inadvertently enter the area. In addition to cordoning off the area, shops need to be equipped with an insulated rescue pole, which, in the event of an accident, allows someone to safely pull the technician away from an electrical source. The technicians themselves must wear insulated safety gloves rated and designed to handle high voltage, and the gloves need to be checked prior to each use for tears, cuts, leaks, or damage that could allow electricity to travel. Additional personal protective equipment includes insulated boots, rubber mats, and face shields. In some cases, insulated tools are required, and there are two different types, insulated and non-conductive. An insulated tool is a regular tool, just like what we use now, but coated with a non-conductive material. Even if the tool itself conducts electricity, the insulation prevents it from flowing. The drawback to insulated tools is if the insulation is damaged or worn in any way, it can allow electricity to flow, and the insulation must be inspected on a regular basis to make sure it is intact. Non-conductive tools aren't metal like normal tools. They are made of strong composite materials which are non-conductive, eliminating the worry of damaged insulation. There may be certain features that contain metal. For example, sockets still have metal inserts, but the rest is composite, eliminating any conductive path to the technician. Specific diagnostic tools are required that can handle the high voltage, and shop equipment differs too. EVs are heavier than a traditional vehicle, and lift points are harder to access due to the locations of the battery, so the lifts must be designed for EV service. If a battery is removed, special lift tables are required to handle the weight, but they also feature fine adjustments for proper alignment of the battery. Air conditioning service requires special equipment. EV and hybrid AC compressors operate off a high voltage motor, and therefore the AC oil cannot be electrically conductive. The wrong oil can pose an electrocution hazard, as well as cause the check engine light to come on in some cars if they detect electrical connectivity in the AC compressor. For this reason, new AC machines are designed with a special function to flush oil from the hoses to prevent cross-contamination of the systems. EV service is all about safety, and more than ever, it requires shops and technicians to have the proper training and equipment. Thanks for watching.